again, Penelope, back with another video, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, we are behind the door because I'm finally doing my room tour 2023, which a lot of people have been asking for. I've been wanting to do this room tour for such a long time, and as you can also see, I actually live in a different house now, so we actually moved here a year ago. And yeah, so I just want to show you guys and share you guys what it looks like. So let's just get started. So this is the overview of when you walk into my room, and I turned off the lights just so you guys could see it better because I think it looks better. But on the side right here, you guys can see is the left side of my wall is just a portrait of my volleyball season this year. So this frame, I forgot where I got it. Oh, this is from Target, and then these are just collage of photos from my season. And then when you close my door, I just have this cross that I wrote a verse on it, which is my favorite, and I just put it right here by my door. And then when you go to this side is, I'm gonna start right here first before we move on to my bed. But this side, I have this shelf or whatever you call it. Well, you can turn it other way around, you can make it taller or it can be like that, but I like it like this. I'm gonna start from this corner right here, but I just have this, I don't know what they're called. Oh, they're trays that I also got from Target, but this one is black. It doesn't really match my room, but it looks so cute. And I just have here, I decided to put some of my perfumes. And if someone will ask me all the time, every time I walk by, someone will ask me what perfume I'm wearing, it's always this one. If it's gonna focus right there, but this is the YSL perfume, and I'm literally running out of it, and it's my favorite. Look how just pretty this is. Just looks so aesthetic looking like that. And then in the back right here, I just have a globe that I got years back from my grandpa. And then on this side in the middle, I just have my iPad and my Mac. And then I have this gold owl that I got from years back as well. I don't remember where I got this from. Now this side of my shelf, I just have a few things. Of course, of my Kindle, which I will never run out of. This is one of my favorite, and I got this from Target. It smells so good. It's the Spice Vanilla, and I just love it so much. And then I have here also this fake plant, and then this piggy bank is, I just got it not last year, this year, and it just have a Bible verse and also my 2023 savings because I'm really trying to save this year. And then this trip is what I'm trying to save for in this piggy bank. So whatever goes in here is for this trip right here that I'm trying to go to by the end of the year. And then this one, which is one of my favorite thing on the shelf, is so pretty. And this is just a whole big jar full of roses. These are real roses that I have baked. So every time they're almost dying, I try to bake them as much as I can, and I put them right here so I could keep them forever. And most of these are when I get for my birthday, for my best friend, and every time I get flowers, I just put them right here. And I also did an experiment, which is so cute. And this is just a random, I got this from IKEA, and I was supposed to put all these flowers in there, but they mold every time they're closed. That's why I leave them a little bit open, because they mold every time they don't have air, which I don't get it. But yeah, this one is from IKEA, and this is supposed to be like inspired rose bell from Beauty and the Beast, but it didn't work out. Now for my actual shelf right here, I just have my bookshelf that has all my books, and these are the books that I have read so far. And then I have this sign that I got from Ethereal back then, and then more books on right here that I haven't read or I haven't finished. And then down here, I just have my love for Kindles. So I have a couple Kindles from Bath and Body Works, and I'm stocked up literally for these Spice Vanilla ones that I have lit up here. I have I have two of them back there. And then I have 4 of my shoes right here. These are the couple of ones, and I have these ones, the Dunks that I got from my mom for Christmas, and then these Jordan ones that I also got as a gift. And that. And then these are also trays that I got from Target. I think they were like $5, and these are, I don't know if they are for shoes, they're not, but I just made them like that. So I bought 2 of them, and they just match my room because they're wood and white. So I decided just to put my shoes on top of them just to look like it's modeling my shoes. And then here on the other side, of course, we got the panda dunks, and then I got that one, which is my Halloween dunks. Now that we're done with the shelf, up here I just of course have my TV, and then on the side right here I have this full body mirror. This is from IKEA. Fun fact about this, we actually have 3 of these at home, one for each girl, so me, mom, and my sister. And I just chose the white one because, as you can see, all my furnitures are basically just white. And then this vinyls, I don't know what they're called, but these fake plants, I just got them all from Amazon. So if you're gonna look for them, you can find them off Amazon. This little corner right here, I just have this guitar that I actually borrowed from my best friend, but sometimes if I don't have my nails on, I will just play with them. Now moving on to my very comfortable bed, but this is the overview of it. And as you can see in the back right here, I just have also my vinyls that you can also get from Amazon. But this is how my bed looks like. As you can see, this is so comfy. This sheet is from my mom. We actually got this after Christmas. She found it. This is a hotel comforter, so every time I wake up from my bed, I feel like I'm in a hotel because of how comfy this thing is. And then I have here my pillows, these pillowcase. I got it also from way back. I think these are from Big Lots, and they're just these eyes. And then I have these 2 stuffed animals, which is my teddy bear, and then this one that I got for Christmas from my best friend, which is a piggy unicorn, whatever you want to call it. And then this little corner right here, which I love, it just looks so cute, is my side table. But on top right here, I just have all my Polaroid photos. Well, not all of them, because I have to fill them up. And if I will start all the way from up there down here, because there's so many of them. But every time I go out, or I go out of the state, or everything like that, I just take pictures. So like for my birthday, I do a photo, and just all my friends and family, and of course my little Bailey. And then this is my side table right here, which is just so little, but this side table was actually given to me, so I don't know where they got it from. But on top right here, I just have this one. This is also from Target. It's just a P that has these flowers on it, which makes it look so aesthetic when you look from here. And then my lamp that I use most of the time, I don't know where my mom got this for me. And my Hydro Flask, my AirPods, and just my phone. So this is not always clean because, of course, this is my side table, but this is what they look like. And then here, I'm not going to show you what's in here because it's a mess. And then here I just, more mess, but I have my vapor rub, just stuff that I need. And I don't even know, I have a Slim Jim in there and some of my pens and stuff that I don't know where to put. So I just put them down here. When you turn to the right is this door right here where my closet is located in my room. So this is my walk-in closet. Some of you guys probably have seen it already, but this is just my walk-in closet that I have decluttered 2 weeks ago, if you guys haven't watched my decluttering video. But that's just my walk-in closet. And finally, the last part, turn to the right, is also the last part of my room, which is my vanity. This is my makeup vanity that was actually custom made by my grandpa. So this is what it looks like. I love it, and it's made how I wanted it to be. It was actually a surprise to me back in 2020, but he made this all by himself. He's just so sweet. But this is white, and the handles are all gold. Just matches my room so perfectly. And then the mirror, he bought it, so he didn't build that one, but the vanity itself he did. I'll be doing a makeup collection / vanity tour soon, so I'm not going to be showing you guys what's inside these drawers, but I could show you guys what's on top. Up here, I just have these organizers. These, I actually got these from the dollar store way back then as well. So I don't know if they have it still, but I got these from the dollar store. And then this was a gift. It's just the organizer that I had for years. But I just have here all my daily makeup, I guess. So I just have all my lip glosses, my ordinary skincare, and more lip glosses in the back. And then I have here my daily jewelry that I use, and my contacts, and more jewelry. So this is just the top of it. Lastly is this organizer that just has all my sponges, my brushes, and my skincare tools. So they're just that. And this one I also got is as a gift from my grandpa when he gave me this vanity. But that's basically all for my room, my vanity and everything. I'm just gonna show you guys a little overview of what my room looks like. So yeah, in 3, 2, 1, go. is all for my video, you guys, and my room tour. I finally got to show you guys what my room looks like. But I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys want me to do a vanity tour, just comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. I'm also going to be doing a makeup collection soon. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I love you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next vlog. Mwah. Toodles!